Life got something special for y'all today. A lot of y'all been buying that Moto G6 Play. I see y'all in my comments. Shout out to my followers that's rocking with the Moto G6 Play. Told y'all I was gonna be bringing some cases. Shout out to Dave over at Tudia. Tudia actually sent me out the Merge case and the Arc S case. So I'm about to show y'all what they looking like so you get some protection, because anytime you walk around with a phone, most of us gonna use some type of protection. I really don't walk around with any of my phones without a case on them, because you're gonna have them incidents and them drops. And if you drop a phone without a case, I mean, you might destroy the phone, you might destroy the screen, and we ain't trying to do that, so we're gonna put a case on it. So, got the Merge. It says the Merge is built with a dual layer design, fusing a premium quality polycarbonate outer shell with an enhanced thermoplastic polyurethane TPU inner case. The Merge case incorporates the best of both worlds, offering a slim, lightweight, and form-fitted protection with the TPU and a certified military drop-tested hard outer shell with the polycarbonate outer layer. So boom, got that out the way. You can go follow, you can definitely go follow Tudia at facebook.com/Tudia Products, or on Instagram and Twitter at Tudia Products. So let's get into it. Oh, it's actually more. Got the fingerprint rest. Got the clicky buttons on here. I'm not gonna read all of that. We got anti-slip, raised edge, and a shock gap. Oh, let's read the shock gap. Never heard of that. Designed with our shock gap feature to protect your phone from drops. The shock gap absorbs and disperses the energy that could otherwise crack and damage your phone. That's dope. So this case is the Merge case, and the Merge case is $10.90 over on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. You can't beat that. Definitely a good price. As you can see, we got some nice packaging from Tudia with some Tudia branding on there, and on the front it says ultra slim, lightweight, raised lip protection. Oh, that sounds very good. And I got the rose gold. You know what I mean? I got the rose gold look. You know, this is the rose gold color for. This is a navy blue phone. It's a navy blue phone. So I think that rose gold against the navy blue is gonna look dope. So what we're gonna do is open the top of the packaging up and pull the case out. So give me a second, guys. Boom, I'm gonna pull it out. Get rid of all of this stuff. There we go, dual layer, really rugged case. Good looking though, rugged and good looking. Now, I had a blooper with Tudia. They sent me out cases for the G6. The cases for the G6 and the G6 Play are different cases. The G6 has a fingerprint scanner on the front. Us Moto G Play folks got the fingerprint scanner on the back. So as you can see, definitely nice, definitely looking good, definitely looking real nice and rose gold. Tudia branding. As you can see, got that inner soft rubber type shell, outer hard polycarbonate on the outside. So that's definitely going to protect you in the drop. Got cutouts, all the cutouts are on deck. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and slap the phone in here. Boom, nice fit, slides in real easy. I told you that blue was gonna look good with that rose gold. I never had a rose gold device, or I'm gonna call it rose gold because that's what everybody was calling it when iPhones first came out in this rose gold but pinkish looking color. I think it's something you can carry as a man. It's like, this is a fly color right here, you know? So I was like, let me get something different. I'm not gonna get the blue or the gray or the black. I'm just gonna rock out with the rose gold, different little look on my budget device. So as you can see, it's good, looks good. Got a nice raised lip all right here. Nice feeling hand, nice grip. Grip is a big part of drop protection, because the better you can grip your phone, the less likely you are to drop it. As you can see, we got some Tudia branding going on. See if the camera catch that. Nice Tudia branding, but it looks really good. Black face, then the rose gold out back with the navy blue circle in the middle. That's looking hot. You know what I mean? That's really looking hot to me. I don't know what y'all think, but I think that's looking hot. So, not with no time to be wasted, boom, there it is. That's the Merge. I'm put the link in the description. And rose gold. This is probably the case I'm gonna be rocking, but I got another dope case right here, so I don't know. Now we have the Arc S. The Arc S case is made out of a high quality thermoplastic polyurethane TPU, offering a soft touch feel on a durable, flexible shell cover that will give your device the kind of grip and protection it deserves. Like I said, grip is a big part of drop protection. It's anti-slip, you know what I mean? It's got good grip on the side, raised edges, raised up around the camera, shock gap, just like we talked about. You still get a clicky button and a finger rest. And that's the Arc S. And again, you can go ahead and check Tudia out on Facebook.com/Tudia Products, or Instagram and Twitter @Tudia Products. Shout out to Tudia again. We're gonna go ahead and get this one open. This is the Arc S. And this one is frosted clear. So I can either use the rose gold, and some days I can just let the navy blue look at Moto G Play shine through. Pull it up out the packaging. Nice frosted look, nice solid, not too much give in the TPU. Nice thick TPU case with that nice frost look. Now this is gonna look really dope on the device. This is a really good looking premium device. All the cutouts on deck. And you got your buttons on deck, that's clicky. Let's drop the phone in. Boom. You really not seeing too much through here, but this is like an ice cube. It do look dope though, I ain't even gonna lie. With that Motorola M and that blue circle with the camera and the flash, it's hard body, nice button press. Getting a nice button press on here. Nice big cutouts for everything that you need. Got some grips on the side, anti-slip grips on the side of the cases now. So you can get a good grip and not drop your device. So, that's really good. It's a really dope looking case right here. Rose gold merge and the frosted clear Arc S. Really dope. So shout out to Tudia for sending these cases out, man, and helping me out when we had that little mix up with the G6 and the G6 Play. But it's your man BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram, BG Tech Life. Follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. And go ahead and check out this montage, man. Go ahead and check it out.